Geometrical tools and their uses. We have a ruler, a compass, divider, protractor, and a pair of set squares. Let us see the first tool, ruler. It is also called as the straight edge. See, the edges of a ruler are straight. That may be the reason it is called as straight edge. It is used to draw line segments. Segment. See, a part of a line. It has both the starting point and the ending point. Okay. It is also used to measure lengths of the line segments. What is also used? Ruler is also used to measure lengths of the line segments. Originally, it is used to draw lines and the ruler has no markings on it. Later, however, the rulers in our instruments box is graduated into centimeters and millimeters on one side, and it is graduated into inches on the other side. See, in one side the edge is graduated into millimeters and centimeters, the other side is graduated into inches. Okay. Next, compass. Plural form is compasses. Compass has two legs, one with a point or pointer and a pencil on the other leg. It is used to draw circles and arcs. It is also used to mark off equal lengths, but not to measure them. Listen it. Listen here. It is also used to mark off equal lengths, but not to measure the lengths. The distance between the legs are adjustable. Similarly, we have one more tool. It looks similar like compass with its V-shaped structure. It is also having two legs with pointers on each end. See, it has a pair of pointers. The distance between the pointers are adjustable. It is used to measure lengths and compare lengths. Set squares. Set squares are the triangular pieces with some portion between them are removed. Two kinds of set squares are available. One set square has the angles 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree at the three vertices. The other set square has 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree at the three vertices. They are used to draw perpendicular lines. The lines which are perpendicular to each other are called perpendicular lines. The angle between, if the angle between two lines is 90 degree, then those two lines are called perpendicular. Okay, and the set squares are also used to draw parallel lines. See this edge and its parallel line here. Okay, similarly this sleeping line, horizontal line, and one more horizontal line is here. These two horizontal lines are parallel. They are used to draw perpendicular lines and parallel lines. So these are the uses of set squares. Now protractor. It is a semicircular device. Semi means half, half of the circular shape. So it is called a semicircular device which is graduated into 180 degree parts. The measure starts from 0 degree from the right. See, on the right hand side, the measure starts from 0 degree and it ends with 180 degree on the left hand side. Similarly, you can start on the left hand side from 0 degree and it ends with 180 degree on the right hand side. Okay, so that's why we have said here the measure starts from 0 degree on the right hand side and ends with 180 degree on the left hand side, and vice versa. It is used to draw angles. It is also used to measure angles. So a protractor is used to draw and measure angles. Okay. Apart from this, you can see a pencil, sharpener, and an eraser. So these are the geometrical tools, basic geometrical tools available in our instrument box or geometry box. Okay. Thank you for watching.